to Kids Cooking Adventure, and today we're going to be making these delicious chocolate cupcakes. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. You will need 20 grams of cocoa powder or 50 grams of instant hot chocolate, 125 grams of caster sugar, 125 grams of self-raising flour, 125 grams of softened unsalted butter, 2 large eggs and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's get started. First we need to beat the 2 eggs. Now mix in the vanilla extract. While you're mixing, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So now we need to mix in the cocoa powder, the flour, the sugar, now we add the butter. So this is what it should look like after you've mixed it up. So now we need some cake cases on a tray. What you do, spoon the mixture with 2 spoons into the cupcake mixture until it's about 3/4 full. So now that these are all full and the mixture is equally spread out between them, put them in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes. Now that they've cooled down, let's have a look. As you can see, they're really soft and fluffy inside and squishy. And now let's try them. That is so tasty. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Do that by clicking the button here. See you next time. Bye.